Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and this is Miss Callie Cat, and this is the week of Valentine's Day. Y'all, happy Valentine's Day. I really hope you enjoy it. Actually, I am filming on Valentine's Day. Yeah, my hubby went to work, so I'm like, well, I'm gonna work too. I do have Miss Callie Cat here to take care of me though, and to love me on Valentine's Day. You wanna say hi, Miss Callie Cat? Yeah? Hi? So y'all, today we have two things we're going to talk about. And the first and foremost is I got a Valentine's Day card from one of my friends. Y'all, she has her own channel. I would love it if you go check it out. Her channel is Unboxing with Wendy Jean. I went ahead and just pulled it up on my laptop so I could show you her homepage, hopefully without too much glare. Eee, ring lights. So I just wanted to show you the card because I was so touched that she sent me a card. Y'all, this is the only, that's including from husband, Valentine's card that I got this year. And that's okay because I just thought it was so sweet that she sent me a card. Look, y'all. And here's the thing. It came with glitteries and stuff. Oh, so cute. Look, it says, Happy Valentine's Day. Adorable. And look on the inside. Look how cute. Oh, I'm still losing the confetti. I hope your day is filled with all the goodness and happiness you bring to life. Love, Wendy Jean. I hope you have a wonderful Valentine's Day. Isn't that just sweet? Y'all, I'll put a card above that links to her channel. I'll put it down below. Go check her out. I'd appreciate it. Look at the beautiful confetti. Look at these hearts. Aren't they just not adorable? Oh my goodness. Very cute. I know I love the hearts. Okay, and the next thing we are going to talk about, it looks like I've got horns. Oh well. What is it, Callie? Is Rocksbox. Y'all, I love Rocksbox. It is a jewelry subscription rental. They rent you 3 pieces to a box. They charge you $21 a month. If you decide to buy anything out of the box, they will credit that $21 back to you. Okay, baby girl. They will credit that $21 back to you. Yes, the things I do for my cats. What was I saying? You can wear it for a day, put it right back in the mail. They'll pop you in another box. No extra charge. It's just a flat $21 a month. I love that. I get so bored of wearing the same things over and over again. Even if I love the piece, in which I do, I buy them a lot, but I'll get bored of it and I have to put it away for a while and then go back to it later. This way, I don't get as bored because I always have a fresh set of jewelry to wear. I love that. You know, you do get to personalize it to you. You could tell them if you only wanted to wear silver, or only wanted to wear gold. You know, they say the different tones, your undertones of your skin will decide what, you know, colors look best on you. Personally, I feel like I am neutral. I can wear either. So I tell them to send me whatever. Of course, if you didn't have your ears pierced or something like that, you could leave off the earrings. But luckily I do. Ooh, it's different. Keep your envelope because you do send this back to them. I love that you reuse the same envelope. Save on waste. That, you know, we got to start thinking about our environment, y'all. We've put it off for way too long. And then look at the beautiful box. So this one is different. They've changed it up now for spring. They did have like a cute little darker one that had more like fireworks for the holidays, but this one is just adorable. Good sturdy boxes. If you were to buy everything, of course you can keep the box. This is reusable, recyclable, and made in the USA. About the artist, Gabby Anderson is an Atlanta-based creative who combines digital and physical mediums to create a whimsical illusion. And then you can follow her on Insta. Let's see if I can get that to show up for you. But yes, very pretty. Hey, gorgeous. And Kylie Cat, I opened this window for you, and you're gonna go on lay on the bed, so I get the chill. It's 60 degrees, but still a little chilly. So on the back of your Hey Gorgeous is all your care instructions. It tells you, you know, why is everything so bright? We'll have it, yeah, we'll turn it down a bit. So, you know, it tells you don't spray stuff on your jewelry. Make sure all your makeup is set and dry, perfume, all that good stuff. Don't get it wet, all that kind of stuff. So that, you know, now I feel like it's too dark. I can never get my lights right. But anyway, it just tells you how to take care of the jewelry. Hi! So here are my 3 pieces for this month. On the bottom, it is the price sheet and also a prepaid return label that you just pop back on top of this white envelope and put everything back in it, and you can send it back when you're done wearing it. I love it so much. Now, the more you do actually buy, gets you like in higher tiers of how much of a discount you'll get on your jewelry. Right now, I'm about at 5% off. And that's where you'll have your retail and your member price. So I'll tell you what all those are. Oh my goodness, I got an expensive one this time. And from my favorite. All right, I'm a big fan of Kendra Scott. Love Kendra Scott. I love going during my birthday month and getting a half off on one piece. I have a lot of pieces. I tend to keep Kendra Scott. This may be Kendra Scott that I'm wearing. I can't remember. But I know I got it from Rocksbox. And these as well I got from Rocksbox. Just decided to buy them. But let's just look because I want to see what this is. It's a fancy pouch. It's not the little baggie. So they started doing this. They have fine and semi-fine jewelry. So this is fine jewelry. And it is the Airy Heart necklace in sterling silver. And y'all, it's $130. But I can rent it and then send it back when I'm done and only pay $21. I think that's brilliant. I mean, really, I do. And then they have these great sales. Sometimes, I guess, when they're tired of the jewelry or whatever, and they'll have sales and you can get them for deep discounts. So cool. Oh my goodness. Look at the beauty of this necklace. Everything looks too shiny. I don't know what's going on with my light, y'all. But it is beautiful. It does have the Kendra Scott label on it, and it is extendable. I guess I gotta just put it on, y'all. It's pretty. Ooh, what is that? KS925. It's just telling you the quality. All right. Can't do too tight, so. All right, this is as loose as it goes. Uh-oh. But that is beautiful. That is absolutely beautiful. Now I got 2 hearts on. That's so cute. I didn't plan it, I promise. 3 if you count the little stamp. Yes, I love that. If I did want to buy it, like I said, it's $130. For some reason, on most of the Kendra Scott products, you don't have a lower member price. So I would actually have to pay the full price of $130 if I did decide to keep it. I won't because I can't afford it, but it is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Okay, let's look at this one next. This is a Sophie Harper double layer curved necklace in silver. Retail price is $60. I'm having trouble getting the bag open. And oh, member price would be $51. Maybe I do need to keep it turned down. What am I going on? All right, here we go. There. My hand looks too shiny, y'all. That's pretty. Let's put it on. It is extendable. It's not exactly as loose as it goes. I could have extended it a little more. I'm stuck in my hair. My mop. Okay. Look at that, y'all. Oh my goodness. I've got some layering going on today. Very cute necklace. Let's look and see what's in here. It's another Kendra Scott. Did I tell you it's $51 for my member price, originally $60? So this is also Kendra Scott. What's in here? Oh, it's another care instruction. These are the Livy Huggie earrings in silver, $68. Oh, wow. Okay. Can y'all see those? Okay, let me just take one out. Y'all, look at that. Oh my goodness. So I thought it was one piece. It's really two. That's cool. I mean, they're solid together, but it comes down in two different. And by the way, all of their jewelry is sanitized before it comes to you. Look at that. Ooh, oh my goodness. Aren't they lovely? So pretty. And look at the shine against my dark hair. Ooh, so cute. I may have to lose my rose gold necklace and just wear this for the rest of the day. That would be pretty cute. Look at that. Oh my goodness, this is adorable. Y'all, don't forget to tell me what you think. Do you like it? Do you don't like it? Would you buy it? Would you not buy it? If you do want to try Rocksbox for yourself, I do have a code. Like I was saying, my foot fell asleep. I do have a code. It is Gina P BFF 45. That will get you your first box free, and it will give you $25 forever credit. That means when you do want to buy something, it doesn't matter how long. If you wait like 5 months into your subscription, it'll still be there, and it'll give you that $25 of credit. So I hope you try it. If you use my link, I really do appreciate it. Y'all, thanks so much. Y'all have a wonderful Valentine's week, and God bless.